Breaking: over 40% of 2024 security systems had blind spots hackers exploited, but 2025's new AI-powered systems? They fight back. We stress-tested 28 systems against real break-ins, drone threats, and even deepfake voice scams to bring you the 5 that actually work. 1. Learns your family's routines to stop crimes before they happen. All 2025 tested links below. Let's expose the winners. Starting at number 1. SimpliSafe Smart Alarm Wireless Indoor Camera. Best overall. The SimpliSafe Smart Alarm Wireless Indoor Security Camera is a slim camera with a white finish that measures 4.5 inches by 1.4 inches by 2.9 inches. It works with the SimpliSafe system and delivers sharp 1536p video. If there's trouble, the camera's built-in siren will sound, and the system will connect you quickly with a live emergency response agent. Reviewers praise the easy installation process and high image quality. They also enjoy how simple the camera is to use. Some customers report issues with connectivity and speed, and some say they do not get very clear night view images. Another potential downside is that SimpliSafe requires a subscription for full feature access. Number 2. WUUK 2K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor System. Best battery life. The WUUK Wireless Cam Pro Kit boasts an impressive battery life compared to similar products. One charge lasts 240 days. Each camera has 2K resolution and a very sensitive motion detection feature that you can turn on or off as needed. Reviewers like how easy the cameras are to set up, and they love not having to worry about recharging the battery often. Some customers struggle with connectivity issues. Others complain about having to turn off the motion detection features because they are too sensitive. Number 3. AOSU Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. Best solar-powered system. The AOSU SolarCam Pro system offers the energy efficiency of solar power while providing serious protection. Each camera has tilt and 360-degree pan capabilities, recording video in 2K for maximum clarity. Additionally, the system has cross-camera tracking features for ease of use. Reviewers state that the cameras are easy to install and that the app is simple to use and intuitive. Most are happy with the solar-powered features, though some wish the charge would last longer. Certain reviewers report trouble with wireless connectivity and motion detection features, which they say are not very reliable. Number 4. eufy Security eufyCam S300. Best system with self-learning AI. The eufyCam S300 brings innovation to a simple security system with AI-powered facial recognition software. This capability reduces the number of false alarms by allowing you to choose which types of notifications you receive. The cameras also offer 4K detail for crystalline images. Consumers love the sharp picture quality as well as the two-way audio system that allows them to quickly get help. They say it's very easy to mount the cameras in place and even simpler to use them. Some consumers wish for better camera functionality as well as improvements in AI technology. Number 5. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera and Smart Hub. Best night vision security system. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera and Smart Hub offers clear images at night as well as quality audio with echo and wind noise reduction features. The system has a built-in siren you can trigger manually or via audio or motion detection. Daytime images are in 4K. Reviewers praise the quality of the night vision and the integrated spotlight. They love how sturdy the cameras are but wish for more stable connectivity. Some reviewers also think it's a bit overpriced for what it offers. Which system would you trust? Vote in our stories! Turn on alerts, we're testing doorbell scams next. 2025 discount links in description, limited stock.